excuse me. This is our first time in Scotland, and we want to know where's a good place to go in Scotland.
Stirling.
Stirling. What?
Loch Lomond.
Loch Lomond. Where's
Stirling Centre for Loch Lomond and the Highlands.
for where? Sorry.
For Loch Lomond and the Highlands.
Loch Lomond. I've heard of Loch Lomond.
To the Highlands.
All right. Do you have something that I can read about Loch Lomond?
Well, we're all finished now, sorry.
Oh dear. Oh,
How far is it to Highland?
The Highlands depends where you're going. From here to Inverness, about 4 hours, eh?
4 hours to Inverness?
Yeah. Take this.
Is that near Dundee?
What is there to do in Inverness?
What's the thing? It's too much to tell you.
Too much.
Yep. This map has got all our information offices
Oh right.
in Scotland, right?
Yeah.
And on the other side it's got their addresses with phone numbers.
Right.
Now, what you do is...
And Scotland is in England.
No, Scotland's Scotland. England is South Scotland.
Oh, I see.
It's South Scotland.
Yeah, it's Englandshire.
All right, so it's like all Scotland then, yeah?
Yeah, of course it is.
Yeah.
What's I going to say?
So where are you from in Scotland?
I'm from Stirling,
You're from Stirling.
William Wallace country.
I think that's where, see his family is the Cooper clan. I think that was maybe Stirling. She's Stirlingshire.
It could be Cooper or Cooper. There's a place called Cooper in Scotland.
Oh really?
Yep.
Where's Cooper?
Cooper is actually down by St Andrews. What? Cooper's here.
Yeah.
That's Cooper. St Andrews.
Right.
Yeah.
How do I get to St Andrews?
Well,
Oh dear, guys. Come on.
where are you from? I mean, where are you going?
Where am I going?
Right now, where are you going?
We're just having a look around the festival.
Barbara, it's a wind up.